Welcome. This question is about Cambridge International 9709, paper 53 of October-November 2022. Question number 3. This is asking about cumulative frequency. For cumulative frequency has been already been given. We need to draw the, what is that? A axis first, labeling the axis. So over here, we have to draw. I'm not getting an arrow mark over here. If at all I can get an arrow mark, that should be better. It's not possible there. So this one is 0, then 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, 50, and 60. What is that? Time taken. Taken T minutes. Then cumulative frequency. I'm going to draw the cumulative frequency over there. Cumulative frequency, I take it as 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, and 240 and 280. Now, when it is 20, it is 32. When it is 20, it is 32. So, over here, we can see that this gap is 40 and number of parts is nothing but what? 10. So, each part is going to be 40 divided by 10, which is 4. Each part is 4, so 32. 32 is going to be the 8th part. This is 32. Then when it is 30, it is 66. 30, it is 66. 64, 68, so approximately over here. Then when it is 35, it is 112. 35, 112, 18, then 14, and over here. Then 40, it is 178. 40 is 178. Then 50, 228. 228, and finally 60 is 250. 60 is 250. So try to draw the cumulative frequency graph joining all the points in a smooth curve. Next, what is it in? Use your graph to estimate the 60th percentile. 60th percentile. So 60 divided by 100 times total. How many people are there total? 250. 250. It's going to be, this is 33 and 1500 divided by 100. So it's going to be 150. So from 150, draw the line and hit the graph. From 150, this is 20, 40, and 50. Somewhere over here, hit the graph and drop it down. It's somewhere near 38. So answer is going to be 38 minutes. That's going to be the answer. Now, next part of the question. What is the next part of the question? It is given that the estimate for the mean taken to complete the challenge for 250 members is this much, 34.4. Calculate the estimate of the standard deviation. For calculating the standard deviations, we need to calculate the midpoints. So we know the frequencies. Frequencies were, so cumulative frequency are given. So first of all, find the frequency. The first one will remain as it is, 32. The second one will become the first one minus the second one. What am I going to do it is, or else to make it easier, so I'm going to copy this one over here, and if I can copy this to the this page. Oh, I could have kept only the marking. So what I will do, then I copy this entire thing. Or else I'll quickly write down the table over there. So when I write down the table, it was 0 to 20, the cumulative frequency was 30, then till then 30. 20 to 30, it was 66, and 30 to 35, it was 112, and 35 to 40, it was 178, 40 to 50, it was 228, and 50 to 60, it was 250. So I am going to find the frequencies. 66 minus 32 is 34, 112 minus 66 is going to be 112 minus 66 is going to be 46. Then 178 minus 112 is going to be 66. 228 minus this one is 50, and 250 minus 228 is 22. Then I'm going to find it out the midpoints. So for finding the midpoint, 0 plus 20 divided by 2 is 10. 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25. Then 32.5. Then 35 plus 40 divided by 2 is 37.5. 40 plus 50 divided by 2 is 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2 is 55. Then I'm going to find it out the variance. Variance is 32 times 10 square, 34 times 25 square, plus 46 times 32.5 square, plus 66 times 37.5 square, plus 50 times 45 square, plus 22 times 55 square, whole divided by 34.4, whole divided by 250. 250, then minus 34.4 square. So that's going to be giving me 151.24. So standard deviation is going to be square root of 151.24, which is going to be 12.3. That's going to be the answer for question number 3.